I am so excited. I have some happy mail from my friend Lindsay, and as you can see, I already opened it, so you don't get like my first reactions, but I'm still like excited. So first, the biggest thing in here, the Exceed, she sent an Exceed soft cover rolled journal, and I am so excited. All I can think about is like cutting this down, but I don't know. I guess we'll see. I guess it depends on like when I want to use it. I guess I'm gonna leave it as it is for right now, obviously, because I'm not sure when I will use this, but I'm definitely gonna use this. I love the lines. I love Exceed paper, so this is a great notebook, and I'm excited because I wish I could just use a big journal, because that would be great, because I can just use this right now. But this is kind of huge and kind of overwhelming. My life isn't that interesting, so I don't know. I feel like I don't have much to write about, but I'm excited either way for this journal. And she sent me another journal, which I knew about this one. I knew about this journal. She sent me a Moleskine yellow ruled notebook. She got it at TJ Maxx. Remember when she sent me videos on Instagram when she found these journals, and she found a lot. So I love this color. This is my favorite color. Yellow is my favorite color. But I don't know. I might use it. I might not. I don't know. I'm gonna wait until I feel it is right to start this journal. But pretty excited about that. And the last few things are some stickers. Ooh. So I'm just gonna go through these. Ooh, what are these? Oh, interesting. Cute. I love SpongeBob. I actually have these stickers, but I'm not mad about having more because I love these stickers. They're so cute. And some more sticker sheets. I love these. These are like vintage looking, especially the Tweety ones. Those are so cute. Some butterfly stickers. Some little daily task pages. I love that. I love that. I don't know. I love that there's like the days of the week. Cute. Oops. More stickers. Look at these little stickers. How cute. They're so cute. These SpongeBob ones. Ooh, these are some cute ones. Little minions. And then this is cute. I love that. Definitely can get some use out of those. And then she sent me some bigger pages, like a list pad kind of pages. And then these. Ooh, I love this. Haven't gone through these just yet, so let's go through these. I'm pretty excited. Now I'm excited to use all this stuff. Oof. Look at all these stickers. Not mad about it. I'm not saying I'm mad about it. How cute. Bruh. Look how freaking cute that one is. Just chilling. That can be a journal cover sticker. Ooh, I love these. I definitely am gonna use these little tiny sticker flakes because I don't even think I have many like small sticker flakes like this, like cute ones. So I'm definitely excited to use all these. For sure. For sure. It's Woody. My daughter would love that. I haven't got to journal yet today. Do a little bit of journaling. Do something. Thank you so much to my friend Lindsay. I appreciate you so much. I'm so grateful and you're the best. I started thinking and I kind of want to cut down this like A5. It used to be this size here, but I had cut this down to an A5 size and I had planned to use it for my next journal, but I'm still like, I don't know, with, you know, the amount of space you have with the A5. So I thought to cut it down to a B6 size just because this is the only really B6 like journal, I guess, I really had, and I really enjoyed the B6 size. I just know when I was using this, I was like all over the place with everything, especially like my planning and everything. Hold on, I'm just gonna, those tabs are not gonna be able to go, but yeah, so I'm gonna cut it down. I need to find a clip. See, I was just like about to start journaling and then I don't know, like I love the personal rings, like it's really fun and I love setting it up, and I feel like I'll still continue to use it like on the side, you know, because I really enjoy this. I love like flipping through it, and I actually like the weeklies, just like, you know, paper for like brain dumps, lists, you know, a little bit of journaling, but not like the journaling that I like want. I don't know, like I want that, just a notebook. And so this is why I want to cut this down, because I really like the B6 size, and I don't know, I might actually enjoy it. Just don't know how I'm gonna do this. So I did a little bit of like journaling last night. I think it was like my first couple pages doing some journaling and like the rings, but I don't know, I guess let me like do like a little flip through again because I switched things up just a little bit. So I love this. This is like, I don't know, I love this so much. I love this little flower being right here. I just love how well it looks with this postcard. And I officially have August up here, which is kind of crazy because I don't know, I just can't believe it's August, and August is my birthday month. So yeah, that's kind of crazy. I can't believe that. I added some little stickers here. I put these stickers that my friend Lindsay had sent me in some Happy Mail, and I want to use them, so that's why I have them in here. Okay, so I did yesterday for the weekly. I didn't write much because I didn't have much space, but I didn't realize that. But that's okay because, you know, I have my dailies back here. So I'm using this little thing as a dashboard for washi, or like not washi, memo sheets. Here's Sunday. I didn't do too much for Sunday. I did this big sticker that was part of my Happy Mail from Lindsay. And then here I did some journaling, which I love. And then I prepped, I prepped yesterday, just a little bit, at least like the date. But do you hear this paper? This is the Stalogy paper, and then this is like the regular composition paper. And then I decided I wanted to use some Stalogy paper for today, just because I really love it. I really love the Stalogy paper. And that's pretty much that. All I really did, I still need to go back to do weeklies. I'd added some deco, but I didn't like write anything just yet. I added this extra page because this is gonna be like extra space for like notes and brain dump, and I know this week I wrote a lot, so I have that in between there, and then probably will add an extra sheet in between here too, just because I know I had some notes and stuff from that week. But yeah, that's pretty much that for the reams. I shared that I cut down that A5 like exceed journal that I cut down. It wasn't originally A5, it was like a lot bigger, but I had cut it down to A5 like a while ago, and I don't know, I just had the idea to cut it down to a B6 size yesterday. I don't know why I didn't think of this a while ago, I'm not gonna lie, just because I've been wanting to try out like a B6 size like journal or notebook. And honestly, it's probably because I totally forgot I had this journal like in the A5 size already. I found it in one of like my totes. I need to better organize my stuff so I can so I know what I have so I can use it. I plan to do that. Maybe I could film it. I'm probably gonna do that at some point this weekend, organize my office a little bit more, and especially like my journals and notebooks and all that, so I can like see everything better. But yeah, I had cut it down to A5, and then I totally forgot I did that, and I found it, and then was gonna use it in my A5 Traveler's notebook as like, you know, a journal insert, and like for my dailies and everything else, but I didn't end up doing that. I don't know, I think maybe the A5 size was just a little overwhelming. So like looking at these pages, it looks a lot less overwhelming to me. Obviously the book did not come out the best, but it's really not gonna matter whenever I fill up the pages. So yeah, it's better. It could look a lot worse, that's all I can say. It could look a lot worse. But I have this cover. I mentioned that I bought this like weekly planner off of Amazon for like $4, I think, like a couple years ago, and it's like a B6 size, and it came with this cover, and I'm reusing it. And I'm reusing it, and I love that. Love having this pocket because I'm able to take memo sheets, stickers, anything like that with me on the go. I just like take a pen and just like, you know, go, because that's what I've been wanting. It's just like a notebook like this. I don't know, I'm honestly kind of like, I don't know, kind of scared to start it. Like, starting a new journal sometimes is kind of overwhelming, and it's just like I don't even know where to start. Like, I don't know. I am not sure. So we'll see about that. I'm sure you'll see that here soon, but for the meantime, I think this is gonna work right now for journaling and like memory keeping, just like bullet points, brain dump, everything I need will be here until like until I can, like, I don't know, until I'm ready, until I feel ready to like jump in this, because I don't know, it's just so easy like doing this and not having to worry about messing up on a page. You know, I could just like take stuff out, and I don't know. So yeah, those are like my morning thoughts right now. Just because that's what I'm thinking, but who knows, my mind might change later. But yeah, that's it.